exactly what I said, 20 and 20.
Pound, that should make something.
23, like that.
Funny what's done to the old.
Hey guys, Adam Rogash from MPW in Keysborough. We're up here in Warragul at Powerhouse Engines with John Pillar tonight. Just finishing off Travis Fink's 400 cube small block, which is a conventional small block, Johnny?
Yep, 400 inch, just 3.750 stroke by 4125 ball. A little bit different this combo. The fact that we chose, because the car is a really nice car, didn't want something that would be leaning over the engine bay doing tappets all the time, so we made it a hydraulic roller, which served a massive problem. The fact that we can't get a hydraulic roller lifter with an offset, so push over the cylinder head clearance was a major problem. The fact that the cylinder heads had been opened up quite a lot to get them to flow left us with nearly, paper thin cylinder head walls. But yeah, we got it all to work, and it's going alright.
When Trav originally came into us, he said, I want to make 1,000 horsepower, which turned into making a little bit more. He would have been happy with 1,000 horsepower on the dyno. We started noticing it falling over. After 1200, it was dropping a little bit of boost, just because we've got a 3-inch restriction down here to simulate an exhaust in the car. We will be going twin 3.5-inch system in the car. But we were noticing the EGTs being a little bit high. All of our combos like this, we run EGTs on them, so we know what cylinder for cylinder is doing in this case. And most of our cases, we've got a Haltech Elite 2500 with dual wideband, all the engine safety. Basically, EGTs are going to pick up on anything quicker than what your AFRs will, and it's cylinder for cylinder. So we can put engine safety in for when it gets to, say, 850 degrees Celsius, it'll shut the engine down. So if you do have an injector drop or you have anything like that, we do have the safety running the Haltech gear. But as we say, the customer wanted a 1,000 horsepower engine. Johnny's gone and built him something that'll well surpass that. What we're on 24 pound of boost, we've made 1,200 horsepower.
Yeah. At 60, 200 RPM,
yeah.
So
and
don't have to real hard.
And what we've done run after run after run, and it's super consistent at that as well, so it'll be a nice reliable combo.
Yeah.
For Trav to basically chuck the kids in it and go for a drive, go to summer nats, do kind of all the local car shows that he wants to do in it. So it's actually going into a 1955 Tiffany blue F-truck, amazing bit of gear.
Yeah, nice.
So yeah, Trav just wanted something symmetrical, which is why we've gone with the Garrett Gen 2 symmetrical turbos, mirror image turbos on it, which they're making nice boost, very responsive.
Yeah, response.
We've made what, 1,200 horsepower on 24 pound of boost.
Yeah.
And not leaning on it at that either. Pulled plugs out and everything's
still on the safe side, that's for sure.
Yeah.